morning. This is our project RFID door lock system. This project uses an MFRC 522 RFID reader and Arduino to create a secure door lock. When an authorized RFID tag is scanned, the servo opens the door lock, allowing access. Key components: Arduino Uno, servo motor, MFRC 522 RFID reader. This how it works. The MFRC 522 RFID reader scans the RFID tag. If the Arduino checks the UID of the tag. If the UID of the tag is correct, the servo opens the door and the buzzer beeps with a low pitch. When it is wrong, the buzzer beeps with a high pitch.
Ma'am, this one is authorized card, ma'am. If we show this in here, means the door will open, ma'am, and that will not authorized card, ma'am. If we show that, means it will not open, ma'am.